These are coaster sets with Patachitra art. The wooden coasters are unique and colorful. They perfectly set on your tabletop. There are 4 coasters and 1 holder in the set. This is bright red. This is white. This is dark blue. The coaster sets are themed around the traditional art form to celebrate festivity and colors. This is black. You can use the coasters in your table like this. You can put all the coasters inside the holder after using them. It can be washed with a wet cloth if required.